Why DJI? What's up, guys? Welcome to another review video. Now, I told you I was going to take this thing out and I was going to fly it. I was super pumped. If you saw the last video, check it out. This is the unboxing of the Mavic Mini. I was almost going to say Pro. This is the Mavic Mini. Got this from Costco. They have a sweet little package. Good price. If you're looking to get into a drone, check out that video. But this time, I want to talk to you guys about before you buy this drone. Okay, this is a mistake that I just made. I don't want you guys to make this, okay? I'm super pumped. I've been wanting a drone for a very long time. And I got one. I was so happy. I was going to take it out. I shot that last video. I was going to go fly this guy. I was so pumped. But then I ran into this problem. Now, I have what is this thing? I forget. It's a Motorola G7 Play cell phone. It's not the best cell phone. It's by far not the worst cell phone, okay? Now, here's the problem. I tried to download the app. The DJI Fly app is what you use with the controller and your cell phone, and it flies the drone. That's how you operate the drone. Well, I tried to get the app, and it wouldn't install. Now, I finally found a workaround, and I got it to install, but then all of a sudden, it came up with a message saying that this phone was not capable of running the software. I don't know what. Wouldn't work. Oh my god. I had no idea. I thought any smartphone, you would plug it right in and you would be flying. And that is not the case at all. So I recommend, if you're going to buy a drone, if you're going to buy any drone, make sure that your cell phone is capable of actually running the software to use this drone. And the weird thing is that if you look up the specs on this app, and shoot, I don't even remember off the top of my head. I think it's like you need 1 gigahertz processor to even run the software. This phone has 2 gigahertz processor. I looked at the specs. I am well within the range of using this software. But unfortunately, the app will not work on my phone. I think that's just because DJI, I don't know. I don't understand apps. I'm not an app guy. I just use them. Now, I also have this other cell phone, which is unfortunately also a Motorola. This is a G5. This is my backup phone. In case this one breaks, I have to have one for work. So yeah, now I'm SOL. Now I bought a $400 drone, and I don't have a phone to use with this. So this puts in the problem, okay? You're going to spend $400 on a drone, but then you can't fly it because you don't have the proper phone. So now you got to go out and buy another phone. That's going to add up. You know, your $400 drone is turning into a $700 drone or a $1,000 drone, depending on the phone you want to get. Now, from what I found out, it's pretty much, I think most Apple phones, I think from 5 up, or no, maybe it's 6 up. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know. I think it's 5 up. I don't know. But it'll support the DJI app, Fly app. Now, my phones don't. Well, I am extremely lucky. My girlfriend had a spare phone in her office. And this is a Galaxy S6. We've had this phone kicking around because we use AT&T, but this is a Sprint phone. And we have tried to get it unlocked. It would not get unlocked. So now it's just sat around. But I wiped it, and through the Wi-Fi, I didn't have to enter a SIM card or anything into this. I was able to download the app. And then from there, I plugged it into the controller, and it worked. And it's worked great. I have flown this drone. There's a whole nother third video coming out, which is going to be my review of this drone as somebody who's never flown drones before. And it's pretty amazing. Spoiler alert. So yeah, pretty much the main getaway of this video is, look, if you're going to buy a drone, do a little more research. Figure out, I mean, and I did a lot of research. I tried my best to figure this out before I went ahead and bought it. And I've looked at this for, I don't know, maybe the last year, almost a year. And I thought I had it down. I was so stoked. And then that day came, went outside, tried to download the app, and no, nothing. Just shot down. And like I said, I was extremely lucky. We had this extra phone kicking around. So if you're going to get a drone, at the very least, make sure you have an Apple, or make sure that you have a Galaxy of some sort. Or that's actually a decent sized list for phones that are capable or compatible to work with this app. Motorola, nothing. I'm pretty sure nothing Motorola wise is compatible to work with the DJI Fly Map. So that's kind of bullshit, DJI. I don't know. If for a consumer, like entry level drone, this should be compatible with every phone. You know, as long as you have the basic requirements of the 1 gigahertz processor and something else. But yeah, craziness. Why? So please, if you're going to buy a drone, make sure your phone works for it. Because if it doesn't, you're going to spend a bunch more money on another phone. Maybe you need to upgrade your phone, but yeah, craziness. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Check out the next video. I'm going to talk about flying this drone, what it can do. I'll show you some shots that I've got. I made a couple small videos with it. It's great. It really is. Like, is it worth it? Yes, it is worth it. If you do not have a drone, if you're getting into flying drones, this is a good beginner. You know, it's cheap. You're not going to like spend thousands of dollars on something and then crash it. And really, this only has one set of sensors here on the bottom. So this is going to make you, well more aware of flying and where it's at, and you're not going to hit a tree. I have hit 2 trees already very slowly, but it's just fine. So yeah, anyways, check out the next video. I hope you guys like it. Once again, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And if you're interested in buying one of these things, Costco has a deal on it. I don't know when it's going to end. It's their own special bundle that they put together. But if you don't go to Costco, if you don't want to deal with that, there is a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out, helps everybody out. And you can pick up one of these guys. And I recommend the Fly More package just because you get 3 batteries and a better charger. Yeah, it's worth it. All right. Thanks, guys. Catch you in the next one.